Okay. We're going to try to capture the bird in the net and put the bird in a bag, which she's going to be carrying.
Where's it at?
The bird is there. She's scared.
Where's the bird?
It's back here. You have to come into the room.
It's
a bird. Shut the closet. Shut the bathroom door. It has big teeth on it.
Shut up.
Alright, I'm going in. I think its natural instinct is to
fly away?
Fly and poop.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Okay.
I gotta have a partner.
Okay, I'm here.
Where's my...
I'm here. Wait. I gotta put this over it. Beak is gonna get me.
Hold on.
No, I can't do it.
Alright. So
why is this in our house?
we've got the bird in the
field.
And oh god, it's coming through the field.
I know, that's why.
Oh shit. Fail. And you locked yourself in there? Okay, bird. Honey, I need a partner here.
Where?
I need a... Yes, I have it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay. Bird.
Birdie. You gotta be a little tired. You definitely shouldn't have any shit left in you. Okay.
Ready?
No.
No, honey, you can put 2 hands down there. It's not gonna bite you.
No, we don't bite you.
Christmas, here. Killing me here.